Hey guys, me and Lion got some trumpets right to the top here. And this is my first Q&A, so let's get started.
Maybe Destroyer's coming back, I think.
Yes, Detroit is going to be in the next movie. Not the month movie, but my own movie when I made it. So, yeah.
What plans do you have for 2023?
What I do in this year, what I do, make videos. So, yeah.
Nobody cares.
Everyone cares about me.
No viewers.
Oh, that's just cold.
You're just being annoying.
I am not annoying.
What is your favorite kaiju?
Favorite kaiju is Godzilla and Manila. They are my favorite things.
Why do you want to be a YouTuber?
Why I want to be a YouTuber is because I won't get bored.
How many Godzilla toys do you have?
Got 8 Godzilla toys.
Should I get the Godzilla out Monster Arts? I don't know. Maybe you could or you couldn't. I don't know, but the choice is yours. Hey, that's really cool. Thanks. Did you make the green screen? Yes, it is. And do you like it?
Okay, that's all, and I'm going to see you later.